Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new Too Faced and ERIKA JAYNE collection. It is called the Pretty Mess collection, and I did purchase it on the Too Faced website. I'm going to have every product that I'm using in this video linked down below for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I got this fuchsia and bronze. It's very like ERIKA inspired. Like her look is like the bronze eye with the glitter and then the pink lip. So I wanted to do that for this look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and hear my thoughts on the Pretty Mess collection, then just keep on watching. The packaging on the collection is really cute. There's like all these warning labels. It says tear if you dare. This is the body shimmer and here's the eyeshadow palette. We're gonna play with this one first. I love all the pink. I think it's so cute. And ERIKA JAYNE is my favorite housewife. I've been watching the Housewives of Beverly Hills since the very first season, and I'm currently watching it now. Me and my mom watch it every week, so she is my fave, and I love her makeup and hair on the show. I am so obsessed when her glam squad does like looks on her for the show and she really goes all out. And a lot of the shades in here, well, all of the shades ERIKA picked out because they are shades that she actually wears on stage. So I'm gonna be doing a full-on glitter eye look with this palette. Dun 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 dun. This is the big base from P. Louise. This is real. It's like a unicorn here in the flesh. This is my original P. Louise, and then I got this one. This is like a limited edition, huge base. Do I really need this? No. Do I love it? Yes. And it has an 18-month expiration date, so I need to use it like yesterday. I need to use this like every day. I'm gonna take a little bit of it, like this much, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. I'm just using my Kat Von D brush. Love this brush for applying this eyeshadow base. How cute is this layout? All the shadows are just kind of like all over the place in here, and I live. I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Show and Tell, and this is like a matte. I love how a lot of these are really neutral, so they're extremely wearable. So this is Show and Tell. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending this into my crease. Ooh, this is blending really nicely so far. It's actually really smooth. Literally took me about 10 seconds to apply this to my eye, and it already blended like super easily. I'm gonna grab this kind of berry toned brown. I love that all of these colors are really warm and they're just so pretty. I love how wearable they are. I'm just gonna keep this right into the crease just to like deepen up the eye look. I have a ton of Too Faced palettes, you guys. I really need to do a makeup, a room tour once I finish actually organizing all my makeup and show you guys all of my Too Faced palettes. I have so many of them, and I have to say that out of a lot of them that I've tried, this one is blending, I would say, one of the best that I've tried from Too Faced. This is so soft, and I don't know, it's just really good, you guys. And now I'm gonna pick up this peachy shade here called Lap of Luxury, and this is like a very soft peach color. It's matte, and I'm just gonna put it above all of those shades I just blended together in the crease. And just to clean up that outer edge, I'm just taking my concealer brush and I'm just gonna swipe upwards. I can get a little crazy with that blending brush, so I always love doing this, and it really makes everything look so much more clean. It's the best trick. So now I'm gonna take this really teensy weensy little blending brush, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Private Jet Setter, and it's this deep, warm, chocolatey brown. This is a delicious looking brown. I love warm browns like this. And I'm just gonna keep this in the crease. And I'm also gonna keep this on the outer corner of the eye. I love this brush also. This is from Sigma. This is the E36 blending brush. It's so tiny, and it really keeps you from getting your shadow all over the place. I love using this in my crease because it's so small. You can really deepen your crease up with this brush. When I first read this, I read it as So Rodeo, but I thought there's no way that is Rodeo. This has to be Rodeo, like Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. So I'm actually gonna pick this up with my finger, and I'm going to swipe this onto my lid. Ooh, that is so pretty. This is like a bronze. Go ahead and place this right on the lid. I do want to spice it up a bit, and I think what I'm most excited for from this palette is this shade here called Worth Its Weight. It's this one right here. This is a glitter. It's a pressed glitter, and Too Faced has these pressed glitters in their Pretty Rich palette. I have done a tutorial with that palette. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it below for you guys so you can see how these work. I've used them before, and all you really have to do is press them on the lid. You don't have to put any like glitter primer or anything. And this just looks so beautiful over the top. Like, look at that. That is so stunning. And just so you guys know, I have tried these glitters with a glitter primer underneath, and what I find is that the more product you have underneath the glitter, the more it actually moves around. So if you can just pack this over your eyeshadow, it works so much better than you just like layering on like concealer or glitter glue and everything else. So the way that I just applied it is really the way to go, and it's the easiest and best way so the glitter doesn't move around all over the place. Since we are using a Too Faced collection, I'm gonna use the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer under my eyes, and I have been doing this for a while. I basically just like to do my concealer after I do my eyeshadow because sometimes you can get a little fallout, and with this there's actually very minimal fallout, but this just helps me kind of clean under the eye a little bit and make everything more sharp. Also, this concealer is so freaking bomb, you guys. It is so full coverage. I love it. It's one of my faves. This is definitely up there with the Tarte Shape Tape. It is so full coverage. I love it. I live for it. My mom also loves this concealer, you guys. She loves it. I'm using the shade Vanilla, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tap that in. And I am powdering up this face with the KKW Beauty baking powder in translucent one. I have like nothing left of it. Good thing I have a backup because this is my favorite baking powder ever. I keep it on for literally maybe 45 seconds and then I just dust it off. All right, back to the palette. I'm gonna pick up the shade here called Private Jet Setter. This brown is so nice, you guys. It's really buildable. Like, it can be a dark brown, but it can be a really deep brown if you keep applying it. I'm just going to start applying this to the lower lash line. And then I'm picking up the shade called Sextravagant. This one right here, it's like a champagne. And I'm just gonna tap that right into the inner corner and then blend it into the lower lash line. All right, you guys, so I am going to put on some mascara, some black liner, and I'm gonna do like a smoky black waterline and some lashes, and I will be right back. So we have the Money Honey highlighter, and I'm really excited about this because it has a huge dollar sign in the pan. How cute is that? I love it. This highlighter is supposed to make your skin look wet, and I always say this in a lot of my videos. I love highlighters that make my skin look wet or like I have like a gloss on. That's just my favorite kind of highlighter. Another claim is that it is intense one swipe shimmer. So basically in one swipe, you're gonna get a ton of shimmer and a ton of payoff. Ooh, it is really, really smooth. So, wow, that is pretty. So there's like a peachy color like underneath the dollar sign, and the dollar sign is like really pretty gold. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. Oh, I really like it. So it does give that like wet shine to the skin. I bet if you even spritz your face and then put this over top, it would be even more intense. I also really like the tone of this highlighter. It's a very pretty gold color. It doesn't look like too like white or too gold. It doesn't look like yellow, but it's a very pretty like natural gold. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone with this as well. Moving on to the lip products in this collection, we have 3 different lip products. I'm so excited. This is the first one I'm gonna be trying for you guys, and this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. I actually read that if you continue to use this, it gives like long-term results. I wonder how true that is because this could literally be like getting lip injections without having to get your lips filled. So I have used a ton of the Too Faced lip injections before, and I have tried the Extreme one. This one is intense. It literally feels Like you just feel your lips being plumped. Like if you've never tried a lip plumper, it is a very intense feeling. It kind of tingles and it does burn a little bit for the first few minutes that you apply it, but it makes your lips look way bigger. I really like the Too Faced lip plumpers the best out of any that I've tried. I used to wear like the Victoria's Secret ones when they had them. They don't have those anymore, but I love those and I really like these. And this is the first time that the Lip Injection Extreme is turned pink. It's always usually like a clear color. That's what makes this one so special and so unique. You can use this on your bare lips. You can apply this over lipstick or lip liner. And this also blossoms into this beautiful like hot pink fuchsia lip. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this for you guys and take a mental note of my lip size right now. Just take a look. We'll do a before and after. I can't really feel the plumping yet. It hasn't kicked in yet. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I'm starting to feel the plumping and I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then I'm gonna see how my lips are doing as far as the plumpness. Okay, so I have waited about a minute to 2 minutes and this is what my lips look like. I could still feel it tingling. It actually is not as intense as I remember it used to be, but it actually is definitely bearable and I love the way it feels. And it significantly made my top lip bigger. My bottom lip is bigger than my top, so I can totally tell this is gonna give you some full lips. I really like it. This shade is also called Painkiller Pink, and if you guys are wondering why it's called Painkiller, ERIKA has a song named Painkiller, and you guys need to go listen to it because it's a really good song. There are also 2 lip kits in this collection, and we have the Polite Lips and the Defined Sexy Lip Kit. So I really love these 2 because they are very different from each other. The Polite Lip is actually ERIKA's housewife look, and this is more of her like on stage look. The Defined Sexy Lip Kit, you could wear the gloss by itself or the lip liner by itself, so I'm actually going to apply the lip liner all over my lips and then the gloss right on top. So I watched the show and I have been watching it like ever since ERIKA first came on for Beverly Hills Housewives, and I know that her glam squad says some of these things, like the names of these products, they are definitely said on the show, and I've heard them say it like so many times. So I'm first gonna go in with the Polite Lips. This is the Polite Lip Kit, and I feel like my lips look so much bigger because of the lip injection we put on earlier. So that helped out with these lip kits because I like the way my lips look right now. And I just want to say these lip liners are so creamy. Like I had no trouble like filling in my whole lips. With a lot of lip liners, sometimes they can be really hard to fill in your lips with because they're dry and they're more of a pencil and not like a creamy formula, but these are so creamy and so nice. It definitely is like a peachy color on my complexion and I love the way it looks with the eye look and everything. And now I'm gonna show you guys the Define Sexy Lip Kit, which is the one I'm gonna end up wearing because I need to wear it. I love hot pink lips, so I know I'm gonna like that one. I can't even explain how much I adore and obsess over this lip right now. I love pink lipstick and I love fuchsia lips, and this is like the perfect like pink lip. This gloss is so cool. It is really metallic, like over the lip liner. It's so pretty. And it is like a gold, almost like a bronze color, but it like reflects a bit of pink. I don't know how to explain it, but it is pure magic and I love this lip. I was most excited for this out of everything from the collection because it looked amazing in the promo videos that I saw. This is the Kissable Body Shimmer and it is sugar cookie scented. I had to smell this when I was at Ulta the other day. I was shopping and I saw it. And let me tell you guys, it really does smell like vanilla and sugar cookies. It is so delicious smelling. My whole bathroom is filled with vanilla and like chocolate, and like basically any sprays that smell like desserts are my favorite. And like if there is products like body shimmers, makeup, anything like that that smells like sugar cookies or desserts in general, I am all about it. There is a puff inside, so you just dip it in the powder and then you can like powder up your arms or your chest. You could also put this on your face, your legs. You can put this all over your body, and it is kissable. So if you kiss it, it tastes like sugar cookies. I'm actually gonna try it myself. Well, actually I probably shouldn't because of this lip, but I'll taste it and I'll see. I also wanted to share with you guys, it says it is a feather light loose powder formula. It gives deliciously flavored, perfect looking skin, and you can use it all over the face and body for instant glow and shimmer. And I am gonna put this on my face so you guys can see how it looks. The packaging is so cute, love it. Can we just take a moment to acknowledge that the sifter inside is a $sign? That is so cute. I'm totally putting on my $sign earrings when I'm done with this look. Okay, so you just kind of like dip it in. Ooh, it smells so good. Ooh, it almost gives you a little bit of color. So you guys could see the shimmer that it gives. It's a really pretty glow. And I will put some on my face so you guys can see. It really does smell like sugar cookies. It smells so good. Don't judge me for this, okay? Don't you judge me. Ooh, it actually is really nice. It's like a sugar cookie, vanilla-y taste. I also wanted to mention to you guys that because I am in my studio and I'm in my filming area with my lighting, you're not gonna be able to see this as well as you could in person. In person, it looks really like bronzy, and it does almost smooth your skin. Like it makes it look smoother and it gives like a glow. I really like it. Okay, you guys, so the verdict is you do not need to walk, you need to run to your nearest Ulta and you need to buy this collection. All the colors that Erika picked are so her, and they're just so beautiful. I love the way they look on myself, and I would wear this palette any day of the week. I really want to use more of these like reddish colors and do like a cranberry look or something. I even recommended this to my mom. I told you guys it's a very universal wearable palette, and you could totally wear this every single day and then pop that glitter on if you're going to an event or a party. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you loved seeing me use all of these products. Let me know down below what products you are purchasing from the collection, or if you are getting anything. I would love to hear what you guys think of this video, and be sure you like it and subscribe before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you in my next tutorial.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.